This is a bucket I have for rinsing. I just leave the water in there and I rinse everything in it. Sometimes I'll take my sponge and I'll just dry my tools with it. This way, what happens with clay is it tends to clog sinks, and especially if you have a home studio, you don't want to clog your sink with any of this clay stuff. So you're gonna have to figure out a way to do this. So if you have just a bucket and a water and just leave the water in the bucket, the water will evaporate and the clay will stay, and in a month or so, maybe a couple of weeks depending on the heat, the clay in the bottom will be so dry you can just break it out and turn it into slip or whatever you want. But this is definitely the cleanest way without ruining your pipes in your house to clean your tools and things. If this gets too mucky, which it might, and it might become slip, then what you're gonna have to do is have another bucket like this one I have here that has dried clay in it, and what you can do is add the really murky, gross water through that clay, and then you'll end up making clay again with that. So have a bucket for rinsing and have a bucket for dried clay, and then you can always rotate back and forth in between them.